Oh, beautiful Guyana, my lovely native land, more dear to me than all the rest of the world. It's only 9:30 in the morning, and it looks as though it's 6 o'clock in the evening. A lot of rain, a lot of rain. A blessed good morning to you, wherever you're watching me from. This is the current situation in Guyana. I know right now in Canada and America, Canada having the wildfire and all the smoke in America and in Canada, man, I really feel your pain. You know, it's not healthy to breathe in the smoke, but I hope you get some rain like us and could, take care of that. All right, it's a beautiful day except for the rain. Well, it's the monsoon season. It's May, June, right? Today is June 8th, Thursday. Boy, and this is what's happening right now. It's like, this is called white rain. I'm gonna take you guys around Georgetown for a tour. I am sure the streets of Georgetown will be flooded, don't worry. I'm gonna go check it out and show you all. Look at that. This is something. The rain still falling, Now, Pro Auto Sale have a nice car here for sale, in case you're looking for a vehicle. Don't forget to call this man, the man Fish Pro. See the phone number them there? Please call him, man. All right. Now the man recently brought this minibus here. Look at it. See? Pro Auto Sale. Got a nice big bus here. Go ahead and let them, Any vehicle you're looking for, please check out the man Pro Auto Sale. Now I saw water here on the road. This is in Alberton. Water. See that? Current situation in Guyana. Once the rain falls somewhat for a couple of hours, this is what you're going to be seeing around the city. It's something we need to work on, we need to fix, man. It's been happening too long. Alright? And we doesn't seem to have a solution for it. We need to do something. We need to get our engineers, go to the drawing board, draft out a plan how to fix this problem. I would have mentioned sometime back in one of my videos, decentralized Georgetown. I think they have it in plans, the Silica City that they're gonna build up the highway, the Linden Highway. That is a great plan. However, I'm not sure when that's gonna materialize. Now look, water up ahead there by the hospital. Boy. Look at that. That's the police vehicle coming through water here. Yeah, man, we need. Something has to be done in Guyana about the drainage situation, man. This is something that's been happening for a long time, more than 20 years. In 2005, we had a major flood. We had a breach of the Conservancy Canal, causing a major flood on the East Coast. Thanks to the fellas them who maintaining the canals, we never had a breach in almost 20 years. In 18 years, there's no more breach, which is good. Just like how you did a great job in maintaining the canal, we need to come up with a plan to maintain the city. Every time it rains for 2-3 hours, this is the result. this Middle Street. Middle Street always flood. Not sure if they could lift, build the road 6 inches higher or 12 inches higher. Not sure how that's gonna work out. But look at that. Imagine you and your car going through the water. You're sitting on your car seat. The next thing you know, you get wet. Water come in the car. Water. That's the walkway. Look at that. And the rain still falling. So this is more problems today. This is whole day rain, White rain. Whole day. And look at the brighter side. We got a huge building erected here, man. Teleperformance. Let's see the side down there. In case you want to buy this hospital, I think it's Prashad Hospital they call this. It's for sale. Alright, 638-7841. You want to buy the hospital. Prasad Hospital or Prasad's Hospital. Not sure if it's still functioning, but yeah, the building is for sale. Just imagine people have to walk in the middle of the road to avoid the water. And they walk in the middle of the road, you see that? Imagine you go into churches to get some chicken or across here to get your pizza. You gotta walk in this water. You better go back home and cook. Camp Street kinda okay. Surprising, this one is not so bad, which is a good thing. Looks like them fellas working to get the water out. So like downtown looks a little bit more better. Oh no. Look at this one. So that street is be okay, but this street, oh yeah, the street where the president office is, this always got a lot of water. Look at this. Look to the side there. It's like we're in a rice field here, boy. Remind me back in the 80s and 90s in a plant in my rice. That's how we rice fields be looking without the cars though. This street always get a lot of water. See that? Look at that. Kwame, the street also get a lot of water. Go through this other street here. Here usually get a lot of water as well. Going back to North Road. From North Road here to South Road. Usually got a lot of water, but down by South Road area from Charlotte Street to South Road. Just have a lot of water by the Bihari area, Bihari building. Passing over the Rob Street area here. Imagine this man can get a flu by in the cold, working in the rain, you know. It's not safe to do that. But nonetheless, that's the struggle many people have to go through to put bread on the table. Looks like the other side don't have a lot of water. The mighty Regent Street. What? Got a huge building going up there, why? That's how long I didn't come drive around the Georgetown area. I didn't even know that. Wait, we have another fried chicken place too. CMK Chicken. Alright. We are on Wellington Street here. Now the Bihari, if in case you want cars and thing, that Bihari there, you know, brand new vehicles. You want your Land Cruiser and your Prado and thing, buy it over there, you know. Land for sale, so in case you want to buy this land here too, you could. Land for sale by owner. 225-1831, 227-3444. And this is the right of the corner by Wellington and South Road. Now you see the canal? Almost running over, almost. Alright. I'm gonna take you guys into the busy downtown Starbuck Market area. I don't think the Starbuck Market area has been flooded, but that's a good thing. Not sure if the surrounding streets does be flooded, like America Street and London Street and all the other streets in there, man. Not sure. These drivers in Guyana, you know, some of them have no consideration. They try to tout passengers and they will stop and block up. I would have seen videos of it where guys would stop, especially in the market area here. You see us in the bustle, boy. Yeah, these bus drivers would stop in the market, block up the traffic, and you gotta wait on them until they fill the bus with passenger. That's not fair. I saw a guy post it right at the back by Donkey City here. Saw it on Facebook. Guyanese drivers, Guyanese citizens, Guyanese people, we need to up our standards. We have to have some moral and decency within ourselves. We can't expect people to do nice things when we doing the wrong things. You expect people to be nice, but you're not being nice. You're not following the rules or the laws of Guyana, but you want everybody else to follow it. So you exclude it. No, you don't work like that. You be the smart one. You follow the laws. You do the right things. And if each and every one of us think that way, Guyana will be a better place. Not for me alone, but for you and me and the entire human race. Make it a better place for you and for me. Sylvie's 50. Wow, Sylvie's variety store is 50 years old. Beautiful, man. I didn't even know that. They're so long in business. Alright, so we got some water. A little bit of water making its way now onto the road here. We have IMEX, is another importer for onion and garlic and, you know, potatoes and other things, you know. Wow, look at that. Look at them folks gotta, you know, come out the yard. Well, this is not Albistown, but this is somewhere close. Look at that. Could be Charlestown. That's Charlestown. But Charlestown indeed does get a lot of water too. And the same area there usually have a lot of water. I don't know if they have to build the streets up higher. Wow. I mean, if you lift the street up 12 inches, not sure how that's gonna work. If that's an idea, it can work. Or install more pumps to drain the water out. In Georgetown we have Charlestown, Laceytown, Albistown. What more other town we got? Ahead of me there, that building is the new licensing office. As it says there, commissioning soon. It's hard to get building contractors in Guyana right now, you know, because the economical boom and the construction boom right now, it's really hard to get guys to work in the construction field. We may have to start importing folks. I know this area usually have some water as well, by the La Park and Wharf area. There's also another land for sale here, 624-0782. In case you want to buy that land. But trust me, the price for land right now in Guyana tripled. I wouldn't say double, I would say tripled. I'm not gonna go through that traffic there. I'm gonna take a shortcut out of here. I think Charlestown is ahead of me there now. By the way, the Kiteshore newspaper is not where I just passed. I can't remember what area, what the name of that area. But this here is Charlestown, next to Albistown. So I made a diversion away from the Safan Street area there. Rather than going through the La Penitence Market, I'm gonna take a back road, you know, shortcut. I will go through Charlestown. Then into Albistown. Good, you see, I made the right choice. I found where the water is. Now, there's water there. This one side, a lot of water. I'm gonna go across into All Boys Town now. Entering into All Boys Town. Let me see if there's water in this area. This front street look a little bit dry and nice, which is good. Not sure. Through the street in James Street. Oh, James Street, way up ahead have water. So not every part have the water, get flood. Some streets, some parts are high, where the other parts that are low is the parts that get flooded. Now look how nice and high they build this road up ahead here. That is what I'm talking about. If you lift the road 12 inches above the drain, it's gonna give the drain more capacity to accumulate the water. As well as directing traffic. And they're making a nice walkway here, man. Many of these are around Georgetown, the parks. In Lamaha Street have some. It's nice that they're beautifying the city. That's awesome. But if you can make the road just as high in the streets in All Boys Town and different areas that floods Charlestown, then we wouldn't have too much flooding. This looks like it can work. Look at the height of the street here compared to the street through the street, compared to the other street there. Look at the height of this road. So I think they need to do that. Let me give you guys a little tour of this street here, man. This is new. So this is in, I think this is Pontrench Dam, I'm not sure, or either Sideline Dam or Pontrench Dam. They're making a park here and a walkway. This is nice. The street to my left going east, and the one I'm driving here gonna go west. Alright, so we have to make a diversion here now to avoid any more trouble. Oh boy, that street is blocked off too. How do I get anywhere like this? Well, I don't even know where I'm driving right now. This is a new part of Georgetown I'm discovering. But most of the folks park the car on the road because I guess they have nowhere else to park it right now. Yeah, but it might be one way down, one way up when they finish making the road and the park. But this is really nice what they're doing. Beautifying Georgetown, You see, once you keep our surroundings clean, the streets, the roads, the parks, it's gonna encourage people to keep their yard clean, to put a new coat of paint on their house, to do good things, man, to beautify the place. You're gonna up your self-esteem, I'm not sure how far this road takes you, but I think it might take you all the way to Cemetery Road. I want to believe. I cannot calculate exactly where I am right now to where it's gonna hit. But I never drove here before. This is new for me, and I know it's new for many of you, my viewers. Not sure if it's gonna take me all the way to the back road, but I may want to estimate it's gonna take me to Cemetery Road or Cemetery Road. But I'll do a full tour of the road here. I'll be ARD the Explorer. And I like what I'm seeing here, surveillance camera by the street, so it's gonna caution drivers, reckless drivers. And there are many reckless drivers in Guyana. Too many. Not many, too many. Yeah man, this look like cemetery road coming out here, I hope. I hope I can exit. Or I don't reach a dead end. See the water don't really bother these areas. Now why these guys park their equipment in the middle of the road and avoid traffic? Blocking off the road, people can't drive. Now how am I to exit here now? Alright, so it looks like I have to make a right. Not sure if that's a dead end, but I'll make a right here. I gotta try to figure my way out. Nothing like in America, you have the GPS. It will tell you to turn left and turn right. We have this man got a little business here on the donkey cart boy. You know, brother hustling there. But when it rain, it's problem for you. You gotta walk in the rain. Where am I? Am I on the cemetery road or cemetery road? Yes, I am. There's a lot of traffic. Gotcha, yes. So, I was correct. I was correct. So, this road brings you back all the way to Cemetery Road. Or Cemetery Road. Alright? So, the journey continues. We are in search of flooded areas in Georgetown. That's the East Rumville Police Outpost. Boy, look at this here, boy. Oh my, oh my. A lot of water here. A lot of water. This man driving really long moves. The man so correct. Hey, too much of water in Guyana. Look there. 2 hours later, I'm driving on Cemetery Road now, or Cemetery Road. This is heading to the northern side on Cemetery Road, and you can see it's covered partially, or most of it covered. Even that street up ahead there is covered. Look at that. I'm on Princess Street now, and I know this street here, when I make a right, usually have a lot of water. Not sure what's the name of this street, but yeah, look at this. Yes. Here always have a lot of water. But look at the bright side. Look, breadfruit on that tree there, boy. Now you gotta figure your way out here to drive. This is like a canal driving in. When it rains, this is what happens. Thankfully, I have my truck. Even this street here have water. trouble up ahead there. Some of these cars gonna get stuck right here because of the water. Oops, I fell in a big hole there. This need to stop, man. We need to do something. Come on, folks. Is it possible Georgetown is sinking? I don't know. Now look up ahead there. Look how that street is dry. Simple because that street is higher. Can we build this street 12 inches higher? I think if they build the streets that were 12 inches higher, we wouldn't have this problem. Trust me. Think if they do that, it might work. I'll give it a try, Let's give it a try. The houses that are already built are gonna have to adjust. And it's the old houses that are low. The new houses, the people are building it way above the road. Look at that. Wow. That over there is the NIS building. Wow. Look at it there right now. These folks probably went to work in the NIS building. When they come back out, they gotta get a boat to come collect the car. Look at this street flooded. Imagine living in these houses here, bro. How uncomfortable it's gonna be. Now look at this, boy. Wow. They say by the square of the revolution, man. Or coffee square, we call it. Damn. Sad, man. Sad to see this. Passing over Regent Street here. Who remember Joseph Record Bar, boy? Back in the days when cassette used to be the thing of the day. Before the CD came into play. Regent Street. I had a Matt's Record Bar. You had Joseph, you had Matt's, I can't remember all them record bar name by. It used to have one down here, man. There was another record bar here. Full range by, yeah, I know this guy, man, full range. They used to be head of this street before by Regent Street area, then they move and come here. So, oh, and this is the mighty cathedral, or St. George's Cathedral. Beautiful as can be, man. The city look dark. Now it's 2 o'clock and it looks like nighttime. Let me go through this street where usually I always flood. You would have seen me drive here earlier today. Had a lot of water. So let me go back and see how it looks. I'm gonna tell you if the water is receding. Yes, the water is receding. Because earlier, here had more water. You couldn't see the road. Or you can compare the video. Now you could, see the road somewhat. So once the rain subsides, it means the pumps are working and the water is gonna recede. So at least my report is not biased, trying to degrade my country or the people responsible for anything. I'm showing you facts as what's happening, and I want to be balanced as usual. Fly Jamaica, welcome to this office by start flight to Guyana. Still have some water here on both sides, but the water receded somewhat. So, it's a good thing if the rain stops falling, the pumps keep working, the street's gonna get dry. But we need to find a solution. We need to find a solution. We can't be dealing with this thing for decades, man. Alright, so look at the clouds there. I'm heading east on Lamaha Street at the junction of Camp Street. So, yeah, I hope you guys being positive. You stay warm. You stay indoors from the smoke. Take care of you and each other. God bless you all. Let's pray for the world. Peace out. See y'all on the next video or next adventure.